In a dramatic turn of events on Sunday, Syrian rebels and civilians stormed into Bashar al-Assad's presidential palace in Damascus, effectively seizing control of the capital and ending the Assad family's 54-year rule over Syria. The sudden offensive in the aftermath of significant rebel advances in recent weeks saw opposition forces entering the Al Rawda presidential palace, a sprawling 31,500 square meter complex. As per reports, the rebels looted the palace, taking Assad's personal belongings, including luxury cars, furniture, ornaments, and other valuables. Visuals from the scene showed men, women, and children wandering through the luxurious room of the palace, peeking into the presidential bedrooms and official cabins. Many posed for photos, calling it the People's Palace, while others vandalized the building, destroying portraits of the Assad family. This unexpected shift in power comes after months of fierce fighting, with armed opposition groups gaining significant ground in northern provinces like Aleppo. By late November, reports of army withdrawals from key southern provinces, including Quneitra, Dara, and Sweda, raised concerns in the capital. Amid the chaos, residents rushed to secure basic necessities such as bread and rice, uncertain of what the future held. The Russian Foreign Ministry later confirmed that Bashar al-Assad had resigned and left Syria, calling for a peaceful transfer of power. Reportedly, ousted Syrian President Bashar al-Assad and his family are in Moscow and have been given asylum. Rebels reportedly fired celebratory shots inside the palace grounds, marking the end of an era in Syria's long-running civil conflict.